Did you know one of Scripture's greatest acts of faith happened in the dark, on a threshing floor, with no witnesses and no promise of a good outcome? Naomi had a plan, not a safe one. She sent Ruth alone into the night to find Boaz sleeping among the grain after harvest. She told her exactly what to do. Uncover his feet. Lie down. Wait. Ruth was a foreigner, a widow. She had no land, no family name, no leverage. And the man she was approaching had made her no offer, no promise, nothing. He could wake up offended. He could turn her away in silence. And she would have nothing left to fall back on. But Ruth went anyway. She lay at his feet in the dark and waited for morning. When Boaz woke and found her there, he didn't pull away. He called her something remarkable, a woman of noble character, known to the whole town. He had already been watching, because God notices where the faithful choose to go, even before anyone else does.